Hello everyone, this is Emmy with the Wauconda Area Public Library here with my trusty assistant, Blue the Fox. And for this week's Take and Make craft, we are making these woodland silhouette paintings. You'll need some paint. I used acrylic, water, and then if you have one of these craft sponges, you can use them. Otherwise, you can use an old piece of sponge, and you'll also need scissors. In your craft kit, you'll get your template, so we have 4 options, and then your backing sheet. To start off with, I am cutting out my template from my paper, and then while I paint, I'm going to go ahead and hold this in place over the background. From there, I've taken 4 autumnal paints and I'm layering those up around our template. So starting from the darkest to the lightest, I went with brown, red, yellow, and green, but you can choose any colors you'd like. They don't have to be foresty or autumny. Once I've laid out all of my colors around the backing, I can go ahead and peel my template off, leaving the lovely fox silhouette. And here is our finished Take and Make craft. Thank you so much for joining me and Blue. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Bye!